Today we are at the Isojärvi National Park. We are at Heretty. Currently here is Heretty house. Probably summertime open cafeteria also. And plan is to take, so we are here in Heretty parking area. This is the area map of total Isojärvi National Park. Plan is to walk around this green path, Heretty Nature path, around approximately 3 kilometers. It is minus 19 degrees currently, so we take today a bit shorter path only. In this Heretty parking area you can find toilets, garbage and some other things around here. Here is information available about the area and the nature. Also, if it's bad weather, you can take a cover here, shelter. Path is marked with the green. Here is Heretty sauna, and paths go here. We take the right path, green one, and go around counterclockwise. Path turns right. On the way there is information about surroundings and history of the area. Here is how the pines have been seeded in 1960s. So here has been forest industry for a long time. Okay, let's continue. How the tar used to be made. It's made on pine wood. So, and it was exported, one of the biggest exports on Finland at a certain time. Alright, as you can see here is lots of wood fallen. It has been really heavy storms. So in 3-4 days ago it was really one of the biggest storms in Finland. And I have noticed it on the paths that there is many new fallen trees after this heavy storm called Hannes. Alright, let's continue the path. Okay, we come to the crossing where the longer paths go to the right and the shorter 3 kilometer path, Heretyn luontopolku, Heretty Nature path, goes to the left. So we shall continue this nature path. Here is some information about small insects that live and feed themselves in the forest. All right, let's continue the path. There is some climbing also up to the hill. On the way you can find some interesting details in the forest. Trees with different kind of additional growth. Then from the Ice Age there is rocks still left on top of each other. Okay, let's continue the path. Ice Age has transformed the landscape heavily, and here is very funny phenomenon that the Ice Age has turned rocks over each other. King of the hill. So the big rock is on top of 4 smaller rocks. Okay, let's continue the path. Coming to crossing where the mountain bike road would go that direction if you are enjoying mountain biking. We follow the signs, green signs, back to the Heretty parking area, and we stop on Kannuslahti fireplace on the way. Further information about how the wood has been log floating channel has been here, and the log has been floating to the mills, and then so this has been the way of transporting the logs from the forest to the mill. Okay, let's continue the path. Going down to the lake level. So the path goes to the Heretty parking area left. We will see the Kannuslahti fireplace and take a short trip to right. At Kannuslahti you can find toilet. Please bring your own toilet paper with you. There is firewood available, axe and so, probably yes. So you can make your own firewood. And now we come to Kannuslahti fireplace. Very nice cottage. It's open, but will give you shelter and protection if it's rainy weather. Alright, this is Kannuslahti fire and camping place. Alright, let's go back to the path and to the Heretty parking area. Path to the Kannuslahti is easygoing, so from Heretty center you can access easily with trolleys or even with a wheelchair to the Kannuslahti fireplace. So today we have been in Isojärvi National Park, walking around Heretyn Nature part, which is approximately 3 kilometers on the road length. And path has been interesting. There is some marked from the Ice Age and then very nice fireplace Kannuslahti. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. It's been freezing day, minus 19 degrees currently, but it's enjoying the nature still in very nice good weather. Okay, see you in the next video.